Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter thread. First, go to your Twitter account. Then, here you can see I'm at the newsfeed of my Twitter account. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on post. Now from here, you can write anything you want, just like me. I'm going to write a post. For example, here you can see I'm indicating a plus icon. Simply click on it to create a thread. Here, as you can see, I have created another post that are linked with my first post. This is Twitter thread. Now write something here and again click on this plus icon to create another post linked with the other. Create post that related to each other as much as you want. Just you need to simply click on this plus icon each and every time when you want to create a thread. Now after creating your post, you can just simply click on post all, and it will take a few minutes to post. Here you can see in my profile the Twitter thread has posted successfully in my profile. You can see the each and every post are linked with each other. Here you can see this is a Twitter thread, and that's how you can create a Twitter thread. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.